Install the front backrest. First, lift up the headrest. Here is a button. Press and hold the button to remove the headrest. Align the backrest cover and slip it in from top to bottom. Then install the headrest back. The lower connection part of the backrest cover. Tuck it into the gap of the seat. The corners should also be tucked in. Tidy it up and make it flat. Roll up the bottom of this baffle. Tighten the edge leather that has just been tucked in. Cover it and stick the HLF well. Stick it at this position under the backrest. Finally, hook up the 2 iron hooks. Just directly put on the headrest cover. Pulling left and right will make it easier to install. There is an iron hook on the side of the seat cover, which is installed at the position of the inner center console. Then lay it flat. Insert the 3 straps one by one into the gap. The edge leather of this part should also be pushed into the gap. Push it halfway and then pull it from the back of the seat. Be careful not to pull the strap too hard as it can easily be pulled off. Then put the straps under the seat and lower all the iron hooks. Find a place under the seat to hook them. Come to the front and tidy it up. The seat cover has 3 buttons. If the seat with electric adjustment, there is a plastic shell in this position. Stuff the buttons and the edge parts into it. Insert the corners as well. Insert it deeper. Pull out the strap from under the seat, one by one onto the button. The button has 3 slots. Then thread this rope from top to bottom. Put it under the seat and pull it tight. It is not easy to shift when it is tightened. To remove the middle headrest, you need to press these 2 buttons simultaneously. The backrest cover bypasses the seat belt and is directly put on. Note that the armrest here is folded down. Then insert the edge leather at the bottom into the gap. Don't miss the corners either. There is a switch on the side of the seat. Lift it up and fold down the seat. Smooth out the backrest cover. Tighten the just inserted edge leather. Stick the hook and loose fastener of the edge leather onto the seat. Then cover the backrest cover and zip it up. Tidy it up and insert the corners as well. The other side is the same. Remove the headrest. Fold down the seat. Put it on directly. Then insert the edge leather and HLF at the bottom into the gap. Insert it deeper. Then tighten it from behind the seat, pulling on the edge of the leather instead of pulling the strap forcefully. Then cover the backrest cover and zip it up. Finally, tidy up the corners. Adjust the armrest. Directly put on the armrest cover. Tidy up the corners. Insert the edge leather on the lower layer into the gap here. Tighten the edge leather. Insert the strap. Align and stick the Velcro. Put back the armrest. Insert the edge leather on the top layer into the bottom gap. Fold down the seat. Tighten the edge leather. Stick the Velcro. Smooth it out. Finally, install the headrest. This is completed. Directly place the seat cover on. Insert the strap and edge leather into the gap. Insert the leftover materials at the corners as well. Pull it tight at the back. Put the strap in front of the seat. Thread the straps onto the buttons one by one. Put it on from top to bottom. Put it under the seat. Pull it tight and hide it well. Pull it tight again under the seat. Hook the iron hook at the bottom onto the strap. Smooth out the seat cover. The other side is the same. Place it directly. Insert the strap and edge leather into the gap. Pull the edge of the leather tight at the back. Be careful not to break the strap. Thread the straps onto the buttons one by one. Thread from top to bottom and pull it tight. Put the iron hook at the bottom onto the strap. Smooth it out. It's completed. Here is a semicircular one, which is the front part. Align it and lay it on. Stick the HLF well and smooth it out.